Everyone, welcome back to another episode of Chalk Talk. If you haven't never been here before, welcome.
Welcome back. Thank you for coming back.
Welcome. Yeah, exactly. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. And thanks for clicking. Oh, diddling, something about Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. But we're not talking about Bitcoin today.
No, we've never actually talked about, well, no, we have one explaining Bitcoin. We used to do tutorials. Anyway, today's episode is on Mastercard.
Mastercard.
Ticker symbol. MA.
Ticker symbol, assemble. Yeah.
Ticker symbol MA. This is our actual first real official Mastercard episode. We have a Mastercard-ish kind of episode. But it's the Visa versus Mastercard, as you know, obviously. Came out, 8 years ago from the time of this recording. But yeah, tonight it's just about Mastercard, not about their rival Visa. But anywho, today is just like a quick update on the price, on what's going on with the stock and their earnings, and something interesting happened.
Happened?
Yeah, they beat earnings. They had a really, really, really great earnings. They outperformed the market. They outperformed their competitors, and the stock tanked.
Oh yeah, that is interesting. I was like, none of that's interesting. That seems pretty spot on. But yes, the nose dive.
Yeah, in our last episode, 8 days ago, the stock was $384.41. It has fell off a cliff since then. It was a $418 stock. Well, that was the 52-week high, somewhat recently. It was trading in that $400 range. Right before earnings, it was trading high threes. And then it proceeded to fall off a cliff and hit $359.77, not its 52-week low, but close-ish. The 52-week low is $308.60.
Maybe some people thought that earnings weren't going to be good. They were like, this is the catalyst we can use, and it just wasn't the case. But yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It was weird. Let's see. The buys. Let's see. I want to just quickly compare. Hold on, I have something here. The max on the analyst price target was $496. The average was $453, and the minimum was $400 as of last video. But that was before their before this most recent earnings, and those numbers have done nothing but gone up.
You said the max was what again?
Hold on, I have a couple of links open. Give me a sec.
Sorry.
The max was 496 and 453.
Okay.
Was the average.
What source are you using?
I'm sorry. That was our own source on the analyst price targets. So the analyst price target is actually, forgive me, the high dropped off by $6. 453 was the average. That has dropped by $3. But the low estimate has come up $10.
$10.
Since then. Yeah, it was 400 in our last video in the Visa versus Mastercard. It's now the analysts, Wall Street / banks. It's like all the analysts, when we talk about analysts, it's usually like banks, like institutions, and then big analysts like Zacks and Morgan Stanley, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, the overall, the low has come up, but the high and the average has come down, like just by $3 on the average and $6 on the high.
You know, maybe they dropped it so they can get in. They're like, oh, this isn't really going anywhere. This is a chance to get in. I mean, either way.
Yeah.
Mastercard is still up. It's still doing the same things we mentioned before, like their AI, their fintech, their crypto involvement. But I have this one article I can mention. You did send it to me earlier. Mastercard's free cash flow excites investors as it finances huge buybacks. So Mastercard, the digital payment network company, reported excellent results for Q3 on October 26th. This included large volume increases in data transactions along with massive adjusted free cash flow. And, you know, that's not really surprising. We just recovered Visa. And, you know, they're profiting off your debt. There you go. This FC is financing its splurge on stock buybacks that will likely help push Mastercard stock even higher. Mastercard shows it has spent $7.2 billion in share buybacks. This is in addition to $1.2 billion in dividend payments. In other words, it has already spent $8.4 billion on shareholder capital returns. As a result, the free cash flow the company generates provides the bulk of the financing for these shareholder returns. This means that on an annualized basis, the shareholders could expect to see up to $9.6 billion in buybacks. That represents 2.75% of its present market cap of $349 billion. This is a very high yield, very high buyback yield. And this helps enhance the annual dividend payments of 2.28 per share, which gives investors a 0.6 dividend yield. 0.6% dividend yield. So Mastercard's doing well. They're like, hey, here's some more money. Thanks for supporting us.
Yeah, I mean, the dividend's okay. It's nothing special. But
no, it's not special. No.
The share buyback definitely makes up for it. The fact that and also the free float, I mean, it's pretty high, but most of these like blue chip stocks have shares into the billions. Mastercard's free float is 830.94 million. So when you have a free float of 830 million with a market cap of closing to 400 billion, and they're doing a buyback of that high, it's pretty bullish, especially with it's outperforming the market and beating competitors, and it has nothing but green numbers.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, short, medium, long. I'm looking on Webull. It's got bullish technical analysis, but overall, it's a buy. Even with the dip, it's a buy. No financial advice, but that's just the analyst. The analyst,
Yep, and then even CNBC has it a buy. Yahoo Finance has it a buy. Yahoo Finance has it near fair value, but a 14% return. Yahoo Finance's 1 year price target is 427.96, so it's pretty decent.
I don't really see any like these credit card companies hurting right now. I don't.
I mean, I have a really high PE ratio. That's the only thing. You're paying 30.52 price per earning. Not super great, but it has a positive year-to-date change. Year-to-date, it's up 9.23%.
Which is not surprising considering year-to-date what's been going on.
Yeah. Exactly.
I don't know.
In a bubble. I don't know. People are still spending. It's kind of crazy to me. Like,
it is what it is. I mean, you need to buy food. If you can't buy it in cash, you're gonna buy it in credit. And if the food's more expensive, you're gonna pay it because you need it.
Yeah. I mean, that's why they're raising the interest rates.
Hopefully it's not on $18 Big Macs. I'm sorry.
You slow down spending. Yeah, $18 Big Macs in Connecticut. With it, Big Mac? Yeah, McDonald's.
Yeah.
Wait, no. Yeah, Big Mac.
Yes, I said Walker, Big Mac. Gary in Connecticut.
And $1 billion chicken sandwich. Anyway, back to Mastercard. Their net margins are friggin' amazing, 44.84%. And they have everything that you look for as an investor, from a retail investor to Wall Street investors to big institutions. I mean, everything's green that you want to see. I mean, their EPS is plus 31.31%. They're not, like I said, their net margins are up this quarter plus 12.74%. Their debt to assets are positive. Their book value per share is up a little bit. Their net income is up plus 23% on their operating. Their total revenues up plus 13%. The net income's up year to date in this quarter almost 28%. And their balance sheet is friggin' solid, honestly. Like their assets have come up a smidge and their liabilities have dropped a smidge. And their cash flow, not so good. But other than that, I would say this is really thing the only this company needs to really work on is cash flow.
Hmm.
I don't know what they're doing with their money though, other than that share buyback.
I
Because
mean,
they have really good net margins, like I said, and here over even over here with CNBC, they right, revenue trailing 12 months, 24.367 billion.
yeah, let's not forget they're still investing in crypto and fintechs and
Yeah, they're trying to keep up with Visa because Visa was out of the two. That's like
yeah,
their Red Sox Yankee rivalry for a
maybe litigation. I don't know how much they're spending on litigation. I didn't see anything about that, but they are still having that whole fee
yeah,
issue.
they're a pretty quiet company. You don't really hear them talking too much. They don't really, I don't know. It's strange.
I don't know. Maybe Mastercard's on that mob
Yeah,
business.
even their return to equity, it's 172.49, 172.25. CNBC left changing numbers. But yeah, their earnings came out 5 days ago. I don't know. It was
Their
we have
EPS
a
is
weird
expected to
market.
go up. Does it show that on your end? The EPS expected to go up,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
and it keeps
Mm.
beating earnings. So
Yeah, they keep beating earnings. They have healthy balance sheet. The only thing, I mean, they have a healthy return on asset, healthy return on equity, healthy net margin, healthy gross margin. The only thing that needs to be worked on is cash flow. I mean, they're in there doing that share buyback. I mean,
I'm
what
like
else?
picturing the earnings, and they're like, Mastercard's doing great, and they're like, stop it. We need to buy you.
Yeah, it dropped what, $34 a share?
Like, yeah,
Boom. Yeah, I mean, what's
we need to buy in. Stop it, Mastercard. We're not ready.
yeah, I mean, I don't know. I like the stock. I don't know if I like it at 376.
Let me see the chart. Let me
Chart
see
wise,
the chart.
like chart wise, because I mean, yeah, a company can have a million
Here,
numbers, but sometimes that necessarily doesn't correlate
chart.
to the actual stock.
Right.
I I would say not financial advice, but I'd say if you could get in around $330, that's a pretty good buy.
330.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not
330.
gonna
That would be a
say
little.
it's impossible, but I'm going to say it's improbable. But I don't
I
know.
mean, it
I'm not a
dropped.
fortune teller.
It dropped from 401 to 359 in 13 days.
Yeah. I think that
I mean,
365 is
that,
probably a good buy too. Let's
that's
see,
a
wait.
$46 drop in 2 weeks.
364 on October 26th. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. It could. I take it back. But I don't
I'm just
know.
saying, like,
I
for
don't
me,
know.
as if I was to buy this stock, just personally, like, to be safe, 330 to be safe
330 to be safe.
as an entry. Yeah,
Okay. I mean,
330 to be safe. I mean,
it could. I'm not saying it couldn't. I'm saying it could, but
I kind of like,
I feel like they're trying to keep it down. I feel like if this was left to its own devices without outside influence, negative influence on a positive catalyst, I think this would be much higher. And there's not a lot of, I think the weight to hold it down is weak. It would have to be something economic.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Which the way the markets are looking right now and the way the world's looking right now, that could happen any day.
I want to see. I want to see the distribution because that's something I've been really interested in. Well, yep, it's got a high inflow. It's got a higher inflow, and it's not far off from its average cost. Average
It
cost
says it.
380, and it's at 376. So
Yeah. 376.35 close Halloween, and 376 after hours. 376.29, 6 cents down from the close.
if they really want to push it down, I think it could hit like 345, 350.
Which it was.
Yeah.
I mean, didn't it just, it literally, it was at 359 on,
Yeah.
where
I'm
are
not
we?
saying
We're
because it already was.
359.
I mean, it's earnings. Its earnings is just
Yeah.
projected to go higher and higher. So I think it would be a little bit more of a struggle to bring it down unless they're willing to dump some real cash to short it. But hey,
Yeah.
at
I mean, with
376 a share and you want to short, go for it.
52-week low
Power
is
to you.
308.60. It's crazy. The analyst rating is like what, a four, the average is a 450, which is higher than the 52-week high at 418.60. But
Uh-huh. Mastercard's doing well. I think Mastercard's
yeah,
fine. They're
yeah,
fine.
these
Average
are the
in,
stocks.
buy low, not financial advice. Just
Yeah. I
that's what
mean,
the
these are the
charts
stocks.
say.
These are the hedges in these bear markets, right? Stocks like Visa and Mastercard.
Yeah.
These are the good hedges in a legitimate portfolio of bear market. You want people who want to spend money, people need money, Visa, Mastercard.
Yeah.
But
But yeah,
anywho, it's a buy for me, but I don't know. For me, it's not screaming buy me.
it's not screaming by me. It could potentially go a little lower. I'm just saying that
Yeah.
they will have to put in a lot of effort to do so.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I mean, it has a nice EPS at 11.48 for trailing 12 months. The technical analysis actually has it short-term bearish, medium-term bearish, and long-term bearish.
Yeah, but what does that mean? What is bearish? What is the
Oh
actual number
no,
for bearish?
I lost my chart. We are. But yeah, I mean, CNBC has it a buy. All of Wall Street has it a buy. Yahoo Finance has it a buy. I don't know.
Mastercard. Maybe they'll throw out a hit
I,
piece like they did with Adam Aaron.
hmm, yeah.
He has fun behind closed doors. Hit piece. AMC's tanks. I don't want to.
Yeah.
I don't want to get
The next
too
Mastercard's
PG
earning.
13.
Uh, yeah, the next Mastercard's earning date is wow. Exact. They have an exact date. January 24th,
Yep.
2024. Usually they give a range, but yeah, Mastercard has, hey,
Wait,
we're
yours
coming
says
up.
124 exactly. This one says 124 to 129.
Yeah,
So
CNBC has their the next earnings as 124.24. So
yeah,
I don't
Mastercard.
know. I mean, I would wait personally, not financial advice. I would wait for a little bit of a dip, but I don't know. It says that Yahoo Finance has it bullish. Relative Strength Index, RSI, bullish. They have it over, like I said, 427.96 is their target. And all of Wall Street has it at 450 on average. So, hey, I guess for everyone, it's a buy. For me, I mean, like I said, I don't want to just talk about buys on this channel. That's why we talked about McDonald's. But
I remember that. I was like, we're talking about McDonald's, and then lo and behold, McDonald's turns around.
yeah.
But anyway, yeah, Mastercard could
Anywho,
dip, but overall, I think that you have to be watching the chart for that. You have to be watching it very closely.
put your
On
price
the
alerts on for
on
350.
like the 30-minute.
You know, the one I like to watch the 1 hour.
Yeah, that's
I
Mastercard.
watch.
You have anything else you want
Yeah.
to say about
No, I mean, I would like them to release some information, at least something. What are you doing? I mean, we know what you're doing in general, but like, what are you doing in the future? Visa is more like, hey, everyone, we're doing this, and then Mastercard is just like, we're here.
Well,
We
no,
have
they are.
100 billion.
Mastercard is working on fintechs and crypto.
I mean, who is it at this point? I don't know. I would just like something more specific, something more of like a, I don't know, more of a catalyst, something more to excite me. I mean, it's not an exciting stock, it's Mastercard. We're not talking about like Tesla or something, but I mean, it's bullish. Not super bullish, like I said, not screaming by me, but technically it is bullish.
Well, remember I said that they're working with Paxos, this undercover
Mm-hmm.
agent. That's it. I don't know how they rose up in the ranks to so many you know, big players, but bringing crypto to banks, I don't know how that's going to work because crypto is basically encroaching in banks' turf, but we'll see.
You know,
Anyway,
well, Bitcoin is. Um, Anywho, we need a new crypto episode. Be on the lookout for that, everyone.
crypto coming to you.
Yeah,
Thanks for yeah.
as we speak, we have a what? Um, a 16 stock portfolio slash watch list on for the channel,
Mm-hmm.
and 7 cryptos. We haven't
7?
really covered 7.
I thought it was
Yeah,
like
what is it? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, Shiba.
I have it written down somewhere, but
I don't
because
know,
we
but
haven't
there are
really
6.
reported on it, I can't.
Yeah, we haven't. I haven't talked much about crypto.
But
I
yeah,
don't know. Anywho, well, that's Mastercard.
yeah,
Mastercard earning. They killed it. They're outperforming the market. They're outperforming competitors. Stock tanked.
yeah. You know how it
Stock
goes.
tanked. $35, $40.
You know how this
I mean,
market goes. Everybody knows how this market goes at this point.
it's recovered $27 like already very fast. So I mean, if you got that dip, congratulations. So
Yeah. Thanks for tuning in.
anywho,
Thanks for
there's that.
listening to
That's
us
that.
ramble some more. We enjoy your company. Come back for more.
Yeah. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our little tiny channel.
Tiny channel. Growing with your help.
Mhm.
Or maybe just for fun. We just record for fun.
Yeah, we record for fun. We stay with 20 subscribers for 10 years. We're like, why
And
can
we
someone
appreciate them.
get us to 30? We need AI art. No, I'm kidding.
I can't get it. Oh, one day.
So, but anywho, that's that. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you for your time, everyone.
Yep.
See
Stay
you in the
safe.
next one.
Stay awesome. Check you
Stay
later.
awesome. Stay safe. Bye. Recording in progress. I click, got it.
Indeed.
Jobs.
Something like that. All right. All right. All righty, righty, all right. All right, all right, all right. I'm crying for you.
Ready?
These arms Yes.
I keep saying ready. Ready? Ready? Are you ready? That you're ready?